We all love to cozy up to a great cup of coffee. But when does cozy meet crunchy? Well, here at the Side Guy Cooks, we can answer that for you with Chocolate Almond Biscotti. So let's get started. Let's prepare the dry ingredients. Time for the wet ingredients. Let's build the biscotti. Set your timer for 25 minutes. As always, ovens do vary. Biscotti, a twice-baked Italian cookie, has a fascinating history that dates back to ancient Rome around 27 BCE. Originally, biscotti were practical food for the Roman soldiers and travelers due to their durability and extended shelf life. Set your timer for 10 minutes. As always, ovens do vary. Those look great right out of the oven. Thank you for liking, commenting, and subscribing. I'm gonna dunk one in this hot coffee. Wow, each bite produces a harmonious blend of flavors and textures. The distinctive crisp texture produces a satisfying bite while melting in your mouth after each coffee dunk. Leave a comment or question below. The complete recipe can be found in the description box below the video. So head to the kitchen. It's your turn. You got this. Now that's the perfect pair where cozy meets crunchy. Stay with us, watch the next video.